The genre of strategy are games in which, in order to win the game, is determined by how the player chooses on their actions. So in games, it requires players to be able to use tactics rather than using just brute force. In such games as Civ 5, whereas if you have just brute force by building massive armies, you will eventually run out of money and become your peasants will become unhappy, causing your empire to crumble. There are different types of strategy games, which are real-time and turn-based strategy. Real-time I've already talked about with the League of Legends, and turn-based is what Civ 5 is, as each player will take their turn, and when they've ended a turn, it will allow the AI computers to take their turn. Some of the older and main strategy games, like board games, would be like chess and checkers. As in chess, a player must strategize and plan their moves ahead in order to defeat their opponents within the game. There are also different types of strategy games on the computer. For example, Civilization 5 is a war game strategy, as you take control of an empire in order to conquer the world. So you will plan out how much how many cities you want, what they will build, what you'll be researching next, and go through the eras in order to defeat your enemies and conquer the world.